Today we're going to talk about how to multiply polynomials using the FOIL method. Now the FOIL method is used when you are multiplying two binomials. Remember, a binomial is a polynomial with two terms. So if we look at problem 1 here, we have x plus 3 times x plus 7. So again, we are multiplying two binomials. Now FOIL is an acronym that stands for first, outer, inner, last. And we're going to use those words to help us to find the product of these two binomials. First stands for the first term in each parenthesis. So my first term in my first polynomial is x. My first term in my second polynomial is also x. So then we're going to multiply those two terms together. X times x is x squared. O stands for outer. Outer refers to the outer two terms of our parentheses. In this case, that refers to x and 7 because they are both on the outside of our parentheses. So we're going to multiply x and 7 together, which gives us 7x. I stands for the inner two terms in the parentheses. In this case, 3 and x are the inner two terms. So we're going to multiply those two terms together. Three times x is 3x. L stands for last, and that refers to the last term in each parenthesis. So 3 is the last term in our first parenthesis. 7 is the last term in our second parenthesis. We multiply those two together and we get 21. We now have four products from our polynomials. We're going to add those products together, and that is going to give us our final answer. Now, after you add your four products together, you want to see if you can combine any like terms. If we notice here, our middle two terms, 7x and 3x, are like terms. They are both x to the first power. And so we can combine them. And this is true anytime you do FOIL, your outside and your inside terms will combine. 7x plus 3x is 10x. And so now we have x squared plus 10x plus 21. And that is the product of x plus 3 and x plus 7. Let's look at another problem.